So this very short lesson is going to be about the tangent double angle formulae. Now, all the mathematical techniques that we need to know to be able to do the worksheet, we've learned as part of the sine and cosine double angle formulae lessons. So really all that needs to be done is to show you how to derive the formula. Then you're ready to go with the question sheets. As I say, you've learned all the techniques needed to do all the questions in the previous two lessons. So, let's have a look. So it says, using the compound angle formulae, prove tan of 2x is 2 tan x over 1 minus tan squared x. So tan of 2x is the same as tan of x plus x equals, and using this compound angle formula which is given in the formula booklet, tan x plus tan x over 1 minus tan x, because a in this case is x, as is b, equals 2 tan x, to make that look actually more presentable, equals 2 tan x over 1 minus tan squared x, as required, and we're done. So as I say, all the techniques for the questions in the worksheet have been learned previously, so that's where this very short lesson ends. Have a go at the questions.